guys, today I have a fantastic project for you. It's the Moken Project, okay, over on Moken.io. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, why you should be getting involved, and how incredibly fortunate you are to be watching this video, as it could change your life. Before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, the first thing we want to talk about on the Moken Project is the coverage points. All right, I'm going to explain them to you. They are a vital piece of information used to calculate how many mobile tokens you're going to earn with this project. All right, if you have not heard of these, you need to get involved. Coverage points are a result of how much signal coverage your Helium 5G radio provides. Yes, that's it. If you didn't know, these are 5G radio providers. All right, the more coverage your radio provides, the more points you will have, increasing your mobile rewards. Simply put, the more points, the better. How coverage points are calculated? Using the Helium coverage, we find your radio. Each hex on the map represents a level of signal provided in that area, and below is the math per hex. So you got red and orange, high signal, 16 coverage points. You got green, light blue, medium signal, 8 coverage points, and dark blue, purple, low signal, 4 coverage points. All right, that's the total of all the hexes, your coverage point. It's very, very easy to calculate your mobile tokens with this, okay? 1,000 coverage points is 6,540 mobile tokens a day, 2,000, 13,080, 3,000 is 19,620. Super, super easy, all right? All you simply do is multiply your coverage points by 6.54. That'll give you a daily estimate. Now, how to explain the radio earnings? Let's get straight into that. So what does X% of earnings actually mean here? So you'll notice that various radios have different percentage earnings, all right? The figure indicates that you'll retain X% of the total mobile tickets on your radio generators. Now, considering the example to our right, the radio earned 21,847 mobile tokens yesterday. With a 75% share, you would have earned 16,385 mobile tokens. So look here, all right? You can see that on the example. Now, where do the remaining tokens go? Okay, they did not include in your share allocated to the host. The host is the physical location of the radio in the USA, and they receive a portion of the earnings for the hosting radio. So your weekly payouts will look like this. Every Monday, all the mobile tokens earned from your radios will be transferred to your Helium wallet, and it's crucial to link your wallet to ensure the mobile tokens can be sent, as you can see. Now, what's a deployer? Every single radio sold on Moken has its own deployer, all right? Deployer is to install the radio, so all developers have been vetted by Helium Deploy, guaranteeing their expertise for exceptional radio installations. No corners cut out. Every radio features pure copper CAT6 cables, not the cheaper CCA alternatives, optimizing bandwidth and latency. Hundreds of installations complete, and all radios are mounted on roofs, higher towers, ensuring excellent signal strength. Then what you want to do is take this to the start, because they've done it in the wrong order. So guys, what are we talking about today at Moken? We're talking about Helium radios, all right? What is Helium 5G? Let me tell you right now. So you can watch this video to find out, but introducing this, the second groundbreaking wireless network supported by the Helium network, Helium 5G empowers individuals to earn cryptocurrency by constructing a wireless network in their community, fostering a more connected and innovative future. All right, effortless 5G mining with pre-installed unit support and advanced highlights. So let's get straight in to exactly what is going on in this project. Now, looking at the market on the page, all right, you can actually see some of them going on down here. You can filter them from coverage points, price, average earning, or by state. All right, if you just click on one, it's actually going to bring up the full details of where this is. So the type is the deployer, the cell ID, the commissioned, when it was commissioned, obviously what the radio ID is, the coverage points, and the hexes on the map. All right, super easy, guys, and you can see the subscription and the price of what exactly is happening here. Please do your own research into this project. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, but I want to just touch on why I think the radio that I personally got from these is working so phenomenally. Because I actually researched the coverage points. I had a look before I got invested, how many people around me are getting involved, how many people are actually using this. I used the hexes on there to find out how much was being used in my area, and guess what? I have untapped a market. Okay, so have a look right now, because you might be so interested in getting a radio, okay? Not only just to make the money on it and the percent it's gonna gain you, but also the fact that there's not many people around you using this. So get involved right now. I love my radio, I'll never go back. Now what I need you to do is hit that link down below to get involved right now, but please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.